What is up, YouTube? We're back again with another video. We are baking. Show 'em. Oh, there we go. Christmas tree cookies. I'm gonna just film while Summer do her, you know.
I'm not making all of these because I don't even like sugar cookies for real. They ready to bake.
Yeah.
They already pre-made. Well, you know, pre-made.
They come out small all the time, like really small. They little small cookies.
We had Halloween cookies.
Pumpkin, ghost.
Yeah, it's pumpkin.
Yeah.
How many you want? Well, should I just make enough so you can want some later and stuff?
You ain't gonna butter it?
You ain't gotta butter it. This a non-stick pan. This ain't a baking sheet.
You can put that in.
Yeah. For all the people that's probably like, why she ain't got no baking sheet? I didn't want to use my baking sheet. Cause I ain't really gonna be eating these. So it say to put it on 350. I put it on 360.
It's good.
And they say, see, ungreased cookie sheet. Let's say bake 10 to 12 minutes. Cookie surfaces and edges will, basically the color. Do not overbake. Cause they'll get hard as a rock.
What is that? What is that supposed to be?
I guess it's supposed to be a little tree that sits up. Like you can cut that out and then make it.
Okay. Turn the light on.
Baby, no.
The light for the thingy.
No. I just see it when it come out.
Okay, now we gonna get back at you guys when it's almost
It's
done.
a simple video.
Yeah.
It ain't nothing too crazy.
Just showing you that we're baking Christmas cookies. That's it.
Cookies almost done. They got like, what do you think, like 2-3 more minutes? If that.
I'd say that was me.
That was you.
No, it wasn't, Summer. I seen you mess it up.
No, I did.
Yes, you did mess it up.
I just messed that one up too.
And they gonna try to lie on me.
They not ready to move. Why is you showing that?
That look good. Where did I? Hold on.
Renee had to turn the TV off, y'all. We watching these lesbian web series movies. And that song.
Yeah, that's what we listen to.
That was horrible.
Frying.
So these
had to
are
turn it
the
off.
cookies. With the exception of this one, Renee messed up.
No, Summer messed up. I'll try to blame me.
Sure, man.
Alright, me and Summer is about to try these cookies.
I do not really like sugar cookies.
I do.
I don't. They don't really taste like nothing. Like with sugar cookies, I feel like you need, like you eat it with ice cream or something.
It tastes like a regular old sugar cookie.
I don't like sugar cookies.
I do.
Yeah, these are all for you. I'm a chocolate person. I like Oreos, chocolate chip cookies.
Let me get this messed up one.
Mm-hmm.
You like the way? You don't like it?
No. I'm not really into sugar cookies. I already said that. They're like plain, like, I like stuff with flavor in it.
Yeah.
You know, sugar cookies really ain't nothing but sugar, egg, butter, and flour.
I wouldn't doubt it. That sound about right.
If I'm not mistaken. Because I've made cookies before. I think that's what it is. I do.
Alright, we're gonna turn this into 2 videos. It's gonna be the Vlogmas. For the Vlogmas, we're gonna turn this into 2 because we missed some. So we're gonna turn this into 2. So I'll get back at you in a minute.